on you. Clouds float by and birds fly near. Whispers of the sky we hear. Hello, Mr. Sun, you're big and bright. You warm the world with golden light. Clouds so fluffy, white and round, they dance across without a sound. Up in the sky so high and blue, the sun comes out to shine on you. Clouds float by and birds fly near. Whispers of the sky we hear. The rainbow comes after the rain, with colors bright like a magic train. Bluebirds sing and eagles glide. The sky's a playground far and wide. At night the moon begins to glow, with stars that twinkle high and low. We wave goodnight up to the sky, and dream beneath it, you and I. Up in the sky so high and blue, there's magic waiting just for you. Look up, wonder, laugh and learn. The sky is full at every turn.
Rush, let's make the sounds, let's sing them loud. Every letter makes us proud. From A to Z, come learn with me. Sounds are fun, just wait and see. C is for cat, that's hot like a cold breeze, cool and tough. D is for dog, says duck. Tap your tongue, it's not that rough. Feel your lips and touch your teeth. Say the sounds that hide beneath. Move your tongue and try each one. Phonics time is so much fun. E is for elephant. Stretch your lips, say it with pep. F is for fish, says like blowing out a candle swift. Let's make the sounds, let's sing them loud. Every letter makes us proud. From A to Z, come learn with me. Sounds are fun, just wait and see. Let's make the sounds, let's sing them loud. Every letter makes us proud. From A to Z, come learn with me. Sounds are fun, just wait and see. So many sounds, so much to say. Let's sing our letters every day. Clap your hands and shout hooray for letter sounds. Hip hip hooray. G is for like goat in green, growling grizzly, strong and mean. H is for like hat and hair, happy hippos everywhere. I is for like igloo ice, insects buzzing, isn't it nice? J is for like jam and jump, jelly beans in a big sweet lump. K is for like kite and king, kangaroos that hop and spring. L is for like leaf and light, lions laughing in the night. I munch on muffins, yum yum yum. My mouth goes oh what fun. I nod my head and say no no. With my nose and tongue the sound will flow. Oh like an octopus in the sea, a round shaped mouth, say it with me. P is for popple, pop pop pop, a puff of air, not loud not rough. Q is for quick like a quail, cluck cluck, a tricky one but now you know. Roaring like a racing car, with your tongue curled back you'll go far. S is for like a snake so long and thin, teeth together let the sound begin. Tap your tongue behind your teeth, it's short and sweet. U is for umbrella rain, open up and try again. Vibrate your lips like a buzzing bee, just like me. W is for the wind goes by, round your lips and don't be shy. X is like in a box, a cool combo of sounds that rocks. U is for Yeah, like a yellow yo-yo, push the air soft and low. Z is zoo, like a busy bee, a buzzing sound so happily. Now we've sung from A to Z, sounds and letters, you and me. Let's clap and cheer, we've learned so much, with sounds and songs and a joyful touch.
One is a jump, reach to the sky, stretch up high and wave goodbye. Two is a spin, turn around, twirl like a dancer, don't touch the ground. Three is a clap, 1, 2, 3, clap your hands so joyfully. Four is a stomp, stomp your feet, feel the rhythm, feel the beat. Five is a wiggle, side to side, wiggle your hips, don't try to hide. Six is a tap, on your knees, tap, tap, tap with a gentle breeze. Seven is a tiptoe, quiet and small, like a little mouse in the hall. Eight is a shake of your hands, shake, shake, shake like a marching band. Nine is a slide, glide on the floor, slide to the left, now once more. 10 is a freeze, don't make a sound, stay like a statue, don't move around. Let's dance with numbers 1 through 10, move your body and start again. Counting's fun when we groove and play, let's dance with numbers every day. 11 is a stretch, arms up high, reach for the clouds way up in the sky. 12 is a twist, twist left and right, like a twirly dancer full of delight. 13 is a jump, jump, 1, 2, 3, bouncy like a bumblebee. 14 is a sway, side to side, like trees in the wind, take a gentle ride. 15 is a duck, now touch your toes, down we go and up we rose. 16 is a snap, snap your fingers twice, clickety click, oh that feels nice. 17 is a march, lift your knees, march like a soldier with pride and ease. 18 is a giggle, laugh out loud, happy and silly, we're feeling proud. 19 is a wave, say hi and bye, wave to the left, now to the sky. 20 is a cheer, shout hooray, we danced and counted all the way. Let's dance with numbers 11 to 20, moving and learning, we've got plenty. Counting's cool with rhythm and fun, let's do it again, come on everyone. 20 is a cheer, give a big yay, you've come so far, now let's go play me. 30 is a hop, hop like a bunny, up and down, isn't that funny? 40 is a wiggle, shake it out, wiggle, wiggle, twist and shout. 50 is a clap, 5 times fast, clap it quick and make it last. 60 is a slide, arms to the side, slide like a penguin on an icy ride. 70 is a stomp, stomp your feet, big strong stomps to the counting beats. 80 is a spin, spin all around, like a whirlwind on the ground. 90 is a tiptoe, light and small, tiptoe gently down the hall. 100 is a dance, freestyle time, celebrate with rhythm and rhyme. 100 is a jump so high to the sky, you did it, hooray, let's reach up high. 1000 is a stretch, arms out wide like a giant rainbow in the sky. 10,000 is a stomp, big and proud, count so far, say it loud. 100,000 is a wave, side to side, like the ocean, far and wide. 1,000 is a twirl, spin with cheer, you're a math superstar, my dear. 1,000 is a clap, big and bold, you've learned so much, you're strong and gold. 1,000 is a low, take a rest, you counted big, you passed the test. Big numbers grow and go so far, from 100 to a shooting star. Let's count the world, let's count with numbers high, we can fly.
Is the apple I love to bite, orange like fire burning bright, yellow's the sun up in the sky, green is the grass where puppies lie.
Blue is the ocean deep and wide, indigo's waves we like to ride, silver lighted clouds that gently sway, a rainbow shines every single day.
Stay with me, let's find more shades, colors are magic and never fades. beneath our feet. Gray are clouds before the rain. Black is the night, calm and plain. White is snowflakes floating down. Gold is a crown for royal town. Silver is stars that twinkle bright. Though bronze is strong like mountain might. Pinch sand of sunny shore. Our toys waves we all adore. Lavender dream in the air. Maroon leaves fall everywhere. More magical hue. Teal is the sea when it's calm and deep. Peach is the fruit so soft and sweet. Olive is green, mellow and cool. Magenta's bold, a vibrant jewel. A budding jewel. Blue is purple, deep and wide. Indigo's waves we like to ride. Indigo's waves we like to ride. Circle is dark, bold and true. Lime is zesty, green and new. A rainbow shines in a forest dream. Plum is purple, deep and grand. Periwinkle paints the light. Charcoal is dark, bold and true. Lime is zesty, green and new.
Let's sing the colors bold and fun. From morning light to setting sun. So many shades from A to Z. A world of colors for you and me.
From red to lime, from snow to sky. Let's paint the world with you and I. In every color, loud and bright. We make the world a pure delight. Monday morning, time to rise. Wipe the sleep from sleepy eyes. Off we go, it's school and play. Let's start the week the happy way. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Tuesday's here, we're moving fast. Learning things that always last. Books and games and drawing too. There's so much fun for me and you. Clap your hands and sing along. The days of the week make a happy song. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Hooray! Wednesday's fun, we're halfway through. We sing and dance, there's lots to do. Midweek magic fills the air. With happy hearts we laugh and share. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Thursday shines, we're feeling bright. Crafting rainbows, flying kites. Almost done, the week is near. Let's make it fun with joy and cheer. Clap your hands and sing along. The days of the week make a happy song. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Hooray! Friday's here, hooray, hooray. It's almost time for weekend play. One more day of work and school, then we splash in the swimming pool. Days of the week, let's shout and say 7 bright stars in a magical way. Every day brings something new. Let's learn and laugh the whole week through. Saturday's fun from start to end. I play outside with every friend. Picnic, bike ride, sky so blue. There's always something fun to do. Clap your hands and sing along. The days of the week make a happy song. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Hooray! Sunday's calm, a day to rest. Cuddle stories, we feel blessed. Family time and bedtime song. Then we wait for the week so strong. Let's count them together, sing with me loud. Monday to Sunday, strong and proud. 1, 2, 3, we're dancing high. 4, 5, 6, and Sunday sky. Days lays fun, we're halfway through. We sing and dance, there's lots to do. Midweek magic fills the air. With happy hearts we laugh and share. Now we know the day's so bright. Morning, noon, and starry night. Come again and sing with glee. The days of the week with you and me.
One by one, January to December, it's so much fun. We'll clap and sing, come join the cheer. Let's learn the months of the year. January's cold with snow so white. We build snowmen and have snowball fights. A brand new year has just begun. Let's set our goals and have some fun. January, February, March, and April. May, June, July, so
happiness pie. Hearts and hugs are flying high with love and kindness in the air. We show our friends how much we care. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. March brings winds and skies so blue, with clovers green and flowers too. Spring begins, hooray, hooray, let's dance and twirl the cold away. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. April's full of a raindrop song. They tap and splash all day long. Umbrellas up, let's jump and play and watch the colors bloom each day. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. June brings sunshine warm and bright. We play outside from morning to night. School is out, hooray, hooray, let's celebrate the summer's way. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. July is fun with fireworks high. They sparkle and twinkle in the sky. We picnic, laugh, and run around with music, joy, and happy sound. August days are sunny and free. We splash in pools and climb a tree. It's the last of summer's cheer. School time's coming, fall is near. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. September's cool with golden leaves. We pack our bags and roll our sleeves. Back to school, we read and write and learn new things with pure delight.
Hello, my friend, let's start the day. Time is ticking, come and play. Past and present, future too. Let's learn what time can do. Yesterday is gone away, today is here. We laugh and play. Tomorrow's dreams are on the way. Time moves on, hooray, hooray, hooray. Yesterday is gone away, today is here. We laugh and play. Tomorrow's dreams are on the way. Time moves on, hooray, hooray, hooray. Yesterday I drew a star, I rode my bike, I went so far. It's in the past, it's memory, but it still means so much to me. Every moment is a treasure, let's live it with joy and pleasure. Yesterday teaches, today we grow, and tomorrow we just don't know. Yesterday is gone away, today is here. We laugh and play, tomorrow's dreams are on the way. Time moves on, hooray, hooray, hooray. Yesterday is gone away, today is here. We laugh and play, tomorrow's dreams are on the way. Time moves on, hooray, hooray, hooray. So sing along and don't forget, time's a gift, the best one yet. Wave to time as it goes by. Hello, goodbye, now say hi. So sing along and don't forget, time's a gift, the best one yet. Wave to time as it goes by. Hello, goodbye, now say hi.